Hi, this is Sezion Session, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about how to create a session template. So, as you know, every video created with Session is created from a template. And with that template, you can create 1 or 1,000 or 2 million videos. That's up to you. So, from a graphic perspective, you can use any video software. That could be After Effects, that could be maybe Final Cut, or maybe Adobe Premiere. That's up to you, you name it. But you can't use the After Effects or the Adobe Premiere or the Final Cut, etc. project as it is. You need to export the graphic assets and to use those graphic assets within that template within the session platform. I'm going to show you how to export those files, or even better, what kind of files are part of the video that has some kind of animations. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So for example, here we have a video. It's a pretty basic video that has a logo in the intro, fast animation, and then it has one image here and potentially 2 or 3 more images within the video, and a few texts also, like captions, image captions. Okay, so as you may know, every session video has two kind of elements, let's say, what we call dynamic media and what we call template media. A dynamic media is every element that changes on a video basis. It's every element that makes that video to be, let's say, personalized. For example, this text may not be the same on another video created with our solution, or this image here may change on a video basis. So that means that every element that is coming from outside the session platform, that's what we call a dynamic media. Then a template media is every element that is the same on every video created with that specific template. For example, this animation here, the outro that you're seeing now, the intro, or even the soundtrack may be a template media, meaning it's the same on every video created with this specific template. Or for example, this small logo here. So I'm going to show you how to use, for example, how to create or how a video is created with template media using transparencies or alpha channels within the video, etc., etc. So for example, the video you are seeing now has, as you saw before, a few template media. The template media in this video are this logo here, the soundtrack, this animation here, the yellow one, like the transition, and then the intro and the outro. Okay, did that animation, then the intro and the outro here. Okay, so this video, like those elements were designed using After Effects, but since you can't use the After Effects project as it is, you need to use the files, the video files or the image files. And for example, for that video there, like that animation, we use a video with an alpha channel. So what you see that is black here, that's where you saw the image before, and that's an alpha channel. That means that every element that you put here would be displayed, in this case, behind this animation here. And you do that by using the Z index. Like for example, you're telling the platform that that element is being displayed behind or above another element, etc., etc. But by using alpha channels, you can do actually a lot of animations, and you can enrich every video you create, every template you create with really powerful graphics and animated graphics in general. Okay, now remember the logo you saw before? The small logo on the top, this one here? Well, this is a PNG, an image, which is this one here, for example. Okay? In this case, we could use only this image here, but in this case, as I'm seeing now, it's like the whole screen with transparency here and then the small image here. So that's something you can do also. You can use PNGs, you can use GIFs, you can also use video with alpha channel to enrich your videos. Okay, and that's all actually. Then here, this is the JSON script for that template. And if you don't know how to create a JSON script with our documentation, which you will find here, don't worry, we'll do it for you. Our professional service will take care of it. Don't worry about that. Or someone else can do it by using our documentation. It could be maybe an in-house resource, or it could be a freelance. That's up to you. But there is always a solution for that, so don't worry about that. This usually may take, like a video like this one here, could take around maybe 2 to 3 hours, like in order to create the JSON script for the session platform, or even less. It really depends on the animations. But in this case, it's a really simple video, so it should take between 2 and 3 hours. But then when you have the JSON script in place, then you can create 1 or 2 million videos. That's up to you. And if you need any help at all, just let us know. We are here to help. Have a great day. Bye.